Welcome to the Legal Crystal YouTube channel. If you're looking to start a business, forming an LLC is one of the best ways to protect your personal asset while enjoying the flexibility of being your own boss. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through the process of starting your LLC and explain how legalcrystal.com makes it simple and hassle-free. And don't forget to download our free ebook, The Ultimate LLC Starter Guide, your step-by-step blueprint to success, for a complete breakdown of everything you need to know. An LLC, or limited liability company, is a business structure that offers personal liability protection to its owners while maintaining flexibility in management. It's perfect for entrepreneurs, freelancers, and small business owners who want to keep their personal assets safe while enjoying tax advantages. For a deeper dive into LLCs and how to start one, download our free ebook at the link below. Step number 1, choose your LLC name. Start by choosing a unique name for your LLC. Make sure it complies with your state's naming rules and isn't already taken. A quick search through your state's business database can save you time. Need help brainstorming? Our free ebook provides tips on how to pick the perfect name. Step 2, appoint a registered agent. Every LLC needs a registered agent, a person or company responsible for receiving legal documents on behalf of your business. You can act as your own or hire professional service. Learn the pros and cons in our free ebook. Starting an LLC doesn't have to be complicated. Follow these steps and you will be well on your way to launching your business. For a complete guide, don't forget to download our free ebook, The Ultimate LLC Starter Guide, available now at legalcrystal.com/ebook. You'll get detailed tips, templates, and everything you need to succeed. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more business tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.